Hello, I am Mohammad Reza Kachowian, a technical expert at Radonix. One of the practical options in the Radonix controller is using the surface detection sensor, which is activated by simply using two inputs in the system settings section. For our digital inputs, we select one of the inputs as desired. In fact, we must choose two inputs. One input is the micro switch that the tool makes contact with, and the second input issues the command to perform the surface detection. As you can see, input number 5, its enable must be true. Its link is also surface detector pin. The next input's enable must be true. Its link is surface detector command Z. I should point out that the input used to trigger the surface detection command can be a button, or what is called a virtual button in the software, or a physical button, which could be a remote button, a keyboard key, or a push button on the electrical panel. Now, once those two inputs are set, after closing and reopening the software, 4 adjustable parameters will be added to the list in the general section of the settings. Now, I want to explain these 4 parameters to you. The first parameter is surface detector back. If a surface detection sensor is used after the sensor detects, the axis moves in the opposite direction of the sensor by this variable amount. This displacement value allows the operator to remove the sensor. The second parameter is surface detector displace. When the surface detection command is executed, the axis moves toward the sensor by the amount specified by this variable. If the surface detection sensor is not triggered within this distance, the axis stops. The third parameter is surface detector thickness. When using the surface detection sensor, after the sensor detects the surface, the interface needs to know the sensor thickness to calculate the workpiece surface, and this value is stored by this variable. The last parameter is surface detector velocity. When the surface detection command is executed, the axis moves toward the sensor at the speed stored by this variable.